Hello, children. Hope finds you in the best of your health and safety. Today, we are going to learn a new concept in English grammar, that is articles. So, let's see what are articles. Article is a word that comes before a noun, like the boy. Boy is a noun, and just before that, a word is there, the. That is an article. A bee. A bee. Bee is a noun. A is an article. An apple. Apple is a noun as it's a name of a thing. So, an is just placed before this noun. So, it's an article. Now let's understand where to use a, where to use an. But before that, we would learn about the types of articles. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. The definite article is the, and the indefinite articles are a or an. Now let's learn about indefinite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles, and the words which commence with the consonant sound, like all the letters other than A, E, I, O, U, like a cat. K is a consonant sound, so we have used a before it. Similarly, a dog. D is again a consonant sound, so we have placed a before it. Now let's move to the another indefinite article, that is an. An is placed before all those words which commence with the vowel sound. Vowels are the five here, A, E, I, O, U, and therefore we use an before every word which is commencing or which is sounding like a vowel, like an orange, an apple. So these are the words which commenced with the vowel sound, so we have used an before them. Let's look at few more examples. A is used before words that begin with a consonant, like a monkey, a bear, a donkey, a snake. Here all the words are commencing with the consonant sound. A monkey, m, a bear, b, a donkey, d, a snake, s. So all these are the consonant sounds. Therefore, we have used a before them. Let's look at few more rules. A is used in front of singular countable noun. We don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. For example, you cannot say a water. No, water is uncountable, so we don't place any article before it. Similarly, if the noun starts with a consonant sound, may that be of b, that is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, etc., then a comes before that noun. More examples are given: a dog, a chicken, a boy, a teacher, a girl, a lesson, a website, etc. I hope this must be clear to you all. Now let's learn about an. An is used before the words that begin with a vowel, like an eagle, an iguana, an ostrich, an elephant. Eagle, E, an. Iguana, E. Ostrich, O. Elephant, A. So all these are the vowel sounds. That's why we have used an before them. So let's read about few more rules about this article. An is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. If the noun starts with a vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U, an comes before that noun. For example, an umbrella, a. An owl, owl, ow. An image, E, is again a vowel sound. An R. Now here you can see the word is commencing with H, which is a consonant, but it sounds like a vowel sound, so it is an R. An enemy, an author, etc. So we can understand that indefinite articles are a or an, and here the example is given very nicely: a coat or an umbrella. Right? I hope you all must have understood about indefinite articles. Now let's look at the definite articles, that is the. So the is used in front of all the nouns. It doesn't matter whether the noun is singular or plural, countable or uncountable, but it is used to describe someone who is specific or unique. For example, the moon, the world, the sun, the atmosphere, the rain, the south, the west, the north, etc. Here we are talking about all the things which are specific, which are unique. So that's why we have used the definite article the before them. So here are few more things to learn about the use of the. Number 1, before a specific person or a thing. For example, I have read the book that you gave me. Not any book I have read. Only you are particularly telling the book that you gave me. So you have talked about the specific thing over here. The book that you gave me. That's why we have used the. Secondly, when we speak of a person or a thing a second time. I saw a baby. Simple. The baby was crying. So now you're talking about the same baby again. Like here you said, I saw a baby. Now you're talking about the same baby again. That's why we have used the baby was crying. It is also used before the superlative degrees. You have learnt these superlative degrees in the adjectives. The degrees of comparison: high, higher, the highest, big, bigger, the biggest. So whichever is the superlative degree, there we use the before that superlative degree. It is used before the names of mountains, seas, ocean, rivers and the deserts. For example, the Himalayas, the Ganga, right? Because you're talking about specific, particular mountain or particular river. It is used before the name of unique things like the sun. And it is also used before the name of important buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal, the India Gate, the Red Fort, right? So these all are the important buildings. That's why we have used the article, that is the definite article, the. I hope you all must have understood this. So let's recapitulate that there are 3 articles, a, an and the, but these have been categorized into definite and indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an, which are used with the singular nouns, right? And the is the definite article which can be used with singular or plural noun, countable or uncountable noun. I hope you all must have understood this. Thank you.